So you've got a mass timber building in mind. Why should you consider Sapphire? Well, mass timber buildings are very much a modern approach, so we're seeing more and more of them across many of the marketplaces we work in. But there's two things which really you need to be considering for with balconies. The first one is what you're trying to achieve with the scheme. Why is it using mass timber, CLT, those kind of processes? Is it because of speed of program? Is it because of sustainability? These are both things which we're seeing on a regular basis. The good news is both of those come together with using Sapphire balconies. The materials we use enable us to create a very low carbon product. Mass timber building, it's very difficult to transfer the same forces back into it as you would if you were using an RC frame or something like that. Now, that means that you want really a lightweight balcony which is highly sustainable, and that's exactly what the next generation gives you. Balcony weight can be reduced significantly to roughly 300 kg for a whole balcony, which adding that to the outside of the building works really, really well on a mass timber connection. So do we have experience with it? Yes, we do. We've got case studies we can point, whether that be ones from the UK or case studies of projects we've been working on in North America or over in Europe more generally. Whether you're looking to speed up your production by using off-site processes like mass timber, whether you're looking to increase the sustainability, both of those aspects come together and we can help streamline your balcony journey